Hi, and welcome to my introduction presentation for EDTC 640. My name is Kristen Fisher. A little bit about me. I am a single mom of two wonderful kids, ages 7, that's my daughter, and my son is 3. I was born and raised in Maryland. I attended Pfeiffer University in North Carolina for my undergrad. During that time, I received a full athletic/academic scholarship to play lacrosse. I was a goalie. I am a physical education/health teacher, and I have been teaching for on and off for about 10 years. My hobbies include any sport. I have played pretty much every sport my entire life. So I love getting out and staying active, whether it's teaching with my kids at school, being home with my kids, or just out with friends. I enjoy hiking, cooking, reading, and again, taking my own kids out and spending as much time with them as I can. My values as a teacher. I believe firmly in establishing a successful classroom environment. I feel like if you can do that as a teacher, you can really count on your students being successful no matter what type of learning style that they have. Delivering an engaging and fun lesson. I believe that that is one of the top priorities that you should have as a teacher in making every lesson that you teach meaningful and fun. Structuring and classroom management is extremely important. Many or most students need structure. They need that constant same routine over and over so that they really understand what you are expecting from them as their teacher. And also constant reflection of myself, that being said every day after school, I am always reflecting on what I could have done differently to improve my lessons and what also worked and what was positive. I find that is extremely important as a teacher because you can never stop learning. And I feel that many teachers sometimes kind of check those boxes off and they don't really look for many other types of styles or ways to get through to their students to make them successful. Why instructional technology? I feel like instructional technology creates engaging, effective learning experiences that cater to the needs of different individuals, especially those learning styles like I talked about before. That is really important. It also encourages creativity and thinking outside of the box. It works hand in hand with developing those first 21st century learners that we talk about so much during this course, and enhances lessons and increases the student and teacher engagement. I find that it's not only important for students to be engaged, but teachers need to be engaged as well. Students feed off of that, and they can feel that if the teacher is not engaged or really interested in the lesson, that definitely then sets the tone for how the class and the day is going to go. Thanks so much for watching my presentation, and I hope to work with you all soon.